Here's some lessons.
Yeah.
Utah is a buyer beware state.
Gotcha.
I mean, that's the way to define it. We
Okay.
don't call ourselves a buyer beware state.
Sure.
But legally, the way real estate transactions are structured here.
Yes.
The MLS listings, as you know, at
Yeah.
the bottom says, buyer to verify all information. We got another. In fact, I got a couple of these.
Got it.
So on the multiple listing service, it says that this is informational and the buyers to everything. The purchase contract, the Utah real estate purchase contract, also obligates the buyers to do their own inspections.
Yeah.
It gives buyers inspection periods wherein they can cancel the contract if it's something they don't like.
Yeah. Very flexible for a buyer.
Totally flexible. Because again, if the buyer proceeds and actually buys the house,
Yep.
that's it.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
That's why we're so flexible with buyers in the due diligence period.
Right.
Because once they buy it, they've bought the house.
Yes.
And it's your job to do it as a buyer, your job to do inspections, to ask for
Yes.
repairs.
Get a roofer there to check the roof if you want.
Check it right.
Yeah.